Here we're going to do a video of the testing of the wireless system for the Pinecrest Lake Resort. So the wireless is mounted on the side of the building here, and this one is for the Steam Donkey restaurant, and the cables run inside and are connected. So one of those antennas is a wireless bridge that is connected to the hotel off into the distance. And so right now we're going to test the signal strength. So if we go down here to the bottom and we click on the wireless, as we can see, Pinecrest Wi-Fi, full bars. We hit connect. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Down here, looks like it's connecting still. And it pops up with additional log on information may be required. So we're going to open up the web page. And here we go. It's asking for a log on full bars. So here we're going to type in username. And I'll lift it up so no one gets the account information. And there we go. So account details. Here's the information. So now we're going to open up the internet and we want to do speed test. Speedtest.net. And let's test the speeds of a wireless bridge and access points. Currently getting 1.3 megs down, which is very good at 25 milliseconds latency. And let's check the upload speeds. Wow, that's really good. Upload speeds of about 3/4 of a meg. It's 0.80 megabytes. So excellent speed. So now I'm going to stop the video and then we're going to head over to the next location. Okay, so here we are pulling down to the marina area of Pinecrest, and we're going to pull behind this van here. Oh, looks like that van's about to back up, so actually okay, so anyway, I needed to back up for that guy. So now we're going to test the video of the marina. We'll get out and take a picture of the access points. See if I can zoom in that far. I can't really see them. Okay, so right there is the wireless equipment. And that bridge, there's 2 access points and 1 bridge. And the bridge, you can't really see it, but it's aimed all the way at the snack shack, which is probably a couple hundred yards from here. Now we're going to go back inside and test the wireless. So it looks like it already connected because we had already connected to the Pinecrest Lake Resort over at the Steam Donkey. So it remembered the settings, but we'll click on this and we're a little ways from the antennas, but as you can see it's almost near full bars. It says an excellent connection. Oh, there we go. Just hopped up to full bars. So we're getting full bars here at the marina. So we'll open up the internet and then again here's the login. So again I'm going to tilt the camera away as I log in. So go. Might help if I type in the right password. Okay, so click on account details. Here's the information. And let's go ahead and do a speed test once more. Again, this is at the marina, probably a good quarter of a mile or so from the hotel. But with the wireless bridge that we built, let's go ahead and see what kind of connectivity we get. Ping is really good, 25 milliseconds. Download speed so far of 1.28, roughly 1 1/3 megabyte per second. And upload, as usually we get a pretty good upload. Here we're hitting about 0.75 roughly. So, 0.80. So a little bit more than 3/4. So excellent connection here at the marina. So let's go ahead and put it on pause and we'll test the bridge that we created out there at the snack shack. It's a busy day here in Pinecrest. Quite a few people. Boat trailer in front of us, and here we're pulling up to the snack shack. And hopefully it's not blocked here. Okay, so here we are at the snack shack. So, and I'll get out and show a video of the equipment. So there is the wireless access points, and one is actually pointing at the marina that I was just at, creating a wireless bridge. The other ones are hooked to the other side of the building here. And these are a wireless bridge that go out to the hotel, and one that runs and points at the marina, or at the beach. So again, one of the bridges is pointing at the hotel to pick up the signal there, and one is pointed at the beach so customers or clients can get internet access at the beach. Okay, so we're going to go over here and let's do a test once more. Disconnect from here, close all tabs. So here we are, full bars again. Looks like it automatically switched over to the access points here, otherwise we would have a lower signal. And it says connected. Let's see if it actually kept our login information. If not, it would be pretty easy to log back in again. Open up the internet here. Okay, so here we are at the snack shack, and again I typed in my wrong information, but down here at the bottom, so there's the equipment up there. Down here at the bottom, Pinecrest Wi-Fi, and if we open it up here, it says connected at full bars, and it said additional login required. So again, here I am going to type in my correct information. Okay, and so here we are, connected, log in, I click account details, and here's all the information on my account that I had created. So we'll go over to the next tab here and go to speed test. Again, we're going to do a test from the snack shack. Begin test. Ping rate at 35 milliseconds. Download speeds. Looks like it's pretty solid. It's not bouncing around. 1.33 megabytes per second. And upload rate. Again, not hopping around. Pretty consistent. 0.77. So not too bad. And again, you can't really see it through the trees. We had to hone in some of the settings to get it the bridge just right, because these trees block a lot of the signal rate. The noise levels before we made the changes were about 96 dB. So after we changed some of the settings, it dropped the noise level down to about 70%, which provided a very good solid connection. So now I'm going to pause it once more, and we'll go directly over to the hotel and test the connection right there in the parking lot. Okay, so here we are driving down the street. I had paused it for a little bit, so okay, make sure no cars are coming. So I'll film just to get an idea, give everyone watching the video the idea of where some of the equipment is. Again, there's the restaurant down that way, and here's the hotel. And you can actually see, kind of in the shadows there's one of the access points on the side of the building. There is another one just over the peak of the house on the other side, pointing out toward the marina. So let's go ahead and hop in here, and we'll do another test. Okay, it kept its connection, so it says it's connected. So let's see. Okay, it looks like it just jumped over, so it kept the connection solid all the way from the snack shack to here. But let's go ahead and do a speed test directly in the parking lot here and see what we get, because all the access points are all they're all labeled as the same SSID, so it should be seamless hopping from one network to another. Okay, this access point, it looks like the connection, we're getting a little bit slower of a speed. The reason for that might be because of the hotel, the high use of the hotel. Each one of the access points is limited to 1 meg connection per access point, so it doesn't overload the network, so we may have multiple connections. But as you can see, the upload speed is 3/4, download speeds are 0.5 meg, but it's a good solid connection. So just to be curious, I'm going to go ahead and test it one more time. Could be because someone may have been downloading something. Okay, yeah, it bounced right back up there. So we're looking at a connection speed of about 1.32. Some of that might be because when you're hopping from one access point to another, it may take a few seconds before it actually, before your computer actually makes a handshake to the new access point, which may affect download and upload speeds for a short period of time. But again, our connection here is really solid, 1.3 down and roughly about a little more than 3/4 of a megabyte up. So anyway, that ends the video. This is for the complete access point and bridge and complete wireless hotspot that we have set up here for Pinecrest Lake Resort. And it was set up by JCS High Speed DSL and JC Systems. And we'd be happy to help you with any of your needs if need be. Thanks.